Hey friends, if you encounter error 0xc00007b on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to reinstall Microsoft C++ redistributable. And how would you do that? So search for Microsoft C++ redistributable in the Windows search bar. Go to the downloads page, scroll down and click on the x64 version if you have a 64-bit computer and the x86 version if you have a 32-bit computer. So mostly people have a 64-bit computer these days, so do I. I'll click on this option and then I'll click on open. It will open the C++ redistributable page. Usually we have it in our system, so we just need to repair it. If you don't have it, then you'll have the option to install it. The last solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.